Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm very excited to show you guys my 2018 Thanksgiving Tablescape, and make sure to stay tuned until the end because I have a fabulous giveaway for one of you guys. Here we go. Okay guys, welcome back to my dining room, the place where my family and I visit about 2 to 3 times a year. Seriously, this year's theme is all about the rose gold / copper and fabric pumpkins, and I absolutely, of course, love it. All right, let's get started with the Tablescape tour. This year's centerpiece consists of a variety of pumpkins, mostly cloth pumpkins of a velvety material, which I love, and I collected them from different places. These two right here are from my local grocery store, and they were 40% off, so I snatched them really quickly. And this one right here is from Home Goods, and the one back there, the red one, that one is from Ross, and it was only $3.99. I also decided to incorporate natural squash, and these 3 were 97 cents a pound, so very cheap. And then these 2 right here, you've probably seen before. Those are from Dollar Tree, and they're very cute. And then I decided to add some greenery to the ends and a little bit right there. And then I wanted to tie in the rose gold by adding some flowers and this peachy rose that, you know, will finish the look. And then I made these candelabras by using tea light candle holders from Dollar Tree, and then the standard vases from Dollar Tree. So I have a short one and a tall one, you know, so I can have a variety of sizes, and I have the same on the other side. And here in the middle, I forgot to say, I do have a rose gold copper bowl that I got from Home Goods, and it's upside down, and I'm using it as a riser for my biggest pumpkin here. And yeah, that's my centerpiece. For my table setting, I'm using a charger from Dollar Tree. This one was originally in gold, and I painted it in copper rose, and it looks fabulous. I love it. And then I'm using some plasticware. They're fancy plasticware in rose gold from Party City, because I do not have actual rose gold silverware, but this look very nice. And as far as my plates, my dinner plate and my salad plate, I have no idea where they came from. I know that it was a gift. I can't even remember who gave them to me. I hope they're not watching. And as far as my wine glass, I got them from Home Goods, and it's rose gold with a gold rim, and I am in love with them. They were $3.99 each, and totally worth every penny because it wasn't a lot. So and here, of course, I have napkin rings from Totally Dazzle. They are a beautiful leaf with rhinestones on them, which are going to be my giveaway of the day. So stay tuned until the end so I can tell you what you need to do to qualify for this beautiful giveaway. And back here on my small buffet table, I have a floral arrangement that I made, and they are peachy peonies, peachy roses, and some ivory dahlias. And I also have some greenery coming out of it, and they're actually not in a vase. That is actually an ice bucket. And they match my bowls that I got from Home Goods. And speaking of Home Goods, you were so good to me this week. I love you. I was so excited to have found this beautiful marble and copper rose gold stand to totally match my brand new bar cart. Look at that. Perfect. And at the other end, I have a cake stand in white that I got from Home Goods as well some time ago. I usually use it every holiday, and that's where I place my pies because we are a pie eating family. We love pie. And then I also place candles on both ends. They're the same candles that you saw on the table. And over here is my bar cart that you guys saw me make on my last video. But if you haven't seen it, I'm going to attach it to the end of this video. Alright guys, it's giveaway time. In order to qualify to get these beautiful napkin rings from Totally Dazzle, look at them. Aren't they adorable? They're rose gold with rhinestones. So to get your hands on these for your next Thanksgiving dinner, All you have to do is leave me a comment in the comments below. Tell me what was your favorite part of my tablescape, and then leave it with the hashtag Thanksgiving giveaway. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and most of all, I hope that I was able to inspire you or give you some ideas for your next Thanksgiving tablescape. All right, guys, until next time, bye.